Good afternoon from Regal Equipment. Today we have a Hughes 12-lane Husker. Today we'll be running sweet corn. Mike's going to be feeding the sweet corn for us. Hi, Mike.
Hello.
This is the Husker. It's been completely rebuilt. We have put husks in one section, which gives you 2 lanes. We have not added the additional husking rules yet. At the time of sale, you would receive new husking rules to the spec of whatever corn variety you're running. And we do need to put some guards on the back here, but we just want to show how the drive system worked. All right, Rob, why don't you turn it on?
All right.
So that's the corn Husker. Hey, Rob, turn it on one more time. Let's show how the drives work a little bit. All right, so that's the 12-lane corn Husker. Give us a call anytime here at Regal Equipment, 330-325-9000. We can help you out with this, any of your corn cutting needs, feeding, shaking, cooking, blanching. We do it all. Give us a call. Love to help you out. Thanks. Bye-bye.